Okay, we're back in NASCAR Tycoon. Wait, there's a shop? When did this get here? Well, I'm about to go broke. Let me just get all this. Hannah won again. Okay, we're working on something over here. We worked on The Office yesterday. Wait, no, not yesterday, a few days ago. I know I still had power at the time. Foundations. Okay, so that's cool. What? Okay, so we're doing a different race now. We're going to have Hannah race at... It's not letting me select. Or close. I can't. Do I wait 30 seconds? Okay, that didn't do anything. Just let me know. So I had to leave and get back on, which is super annoying for a bug that shouldn't even happen. And I know it's not Wi-Fi because it's been working all day since we got back from the hotel. Lily really liked the hotel, but I think she's glad to be back. Okay, how do I get out? Okay. So everything's not broken anymore. Also, there's UGC Limited, but it's all, like, out of stock now. So I'm gonna have to use more Robux when that is available for purchase. Okay. Get the computers, the scanning station. What are all these cars? I only have one car, and Hannah's the only driver on the team. Okay, assembly room, assembly computer, body assembly, body assembly. Well, that's really cool. I think there was something like this in that NASCAR Tycoon game from 2017. Cleaning station. Hannah won again. That's becoming very common. Staircase, head mechanic. What's your name? Gary Wrench. That's really smart, like gear wrench. Oh, I can't afford the next level. Okay, there we go. Now I do. Oh my gosh, that money is rolling in really quick. Like, it's $1,000 per second. Okay, test engine, control desk. Okay, so I believe this is a garage. We have another really weird accessory for the car. Machine shop. Parts machine, parts machine. Oh, wait, I can't afford it. Okay. I should be able to afford all that when I return to this really nice ATM. Okay. So we learned orange equals broke. Okay. So if the buttons are orange, then that means I can't afford it. I have to return to the ATM. Okay, that's good to know. Painting station. Spray gun, compression unit. Okay. Hannah won again. Wow, that's a really nice paint scheme. That looks really good. What? Yes. Wait, I completed the Tycoon? Really? Was that really it? I'm gonna train you. I think I might just finish the Tycoon. I thought this was gonna take way more videos. I did not expect to finish the Tycoon today. Is that really it? No, there's more. I'm very confused. So I'm going to go until Hannah wins 2 more times, because she seems to be winning more often now. And this mechanic, he costs so much money. Like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, and he gets the paint all over his suit too. That's going to cost you more money. Why can't you just keep your suit clean? You are causing me to be broke. Look, his uniform is nice and clean. Okay. And you get another 100,000. Okay, Hannah finished with another race. Hannah will probably be finished before I fully level up Gary. Because Gary is taking 2 decades. That's right, it's 2040 now. Happy New Year. Okay, one more level. You don't even have a name. What's your name? How do we know you're not, like, how do we know you're not, like, one of the most wanted criminals in all of existence? I don't know. I don't trust you, paint technician. Okay, fully leveled up. And that's going to be all for today because I feel like Hannah's going to be finished before we reach that next area. I don't want to leave a place discontinued. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, good game and goodbye.